In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add price alert on FxPro. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to get started, go ahead to your account. For my case, I'll be using FxPro Edge. And once you are here, head over to alert icon, which is here. To set a price alert, head over to price and then just click on it. Then go ahead and add alert. And here choose the instrument that you wish. Currently, you can see I have this alert set. To add another alert, you can just go ahead and choose any of the currency that you wish. And then once you have selected, you can also go ahead and choose the condition here and also the leverage that you wish. And just tap on apply changes to add your alert. And as you can see, your price alert has been created and therefore you'll be notified via your email wherever there are any changes. So that's how you can add price alert on FxPro. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.